A composite matrix roofing insulation system is fast, simple, and easy to install. Over the roof deck substrate, an impermeable peel and stick air and vapor barrier is recommended. For metal roof cladding systems, metal C-channels will be installed around the roof's perimeter. To allow the roof to vent, dry, and drain outward, a 1-inch gap between the channel ends is recommended. The bottom layer of Air Dry Connect insulation is installed with the embedded plywood framing and drying channels running from peak to eave, or high to low. The air dry panels are mechanically fastened every 16 inches through the plywood framing to the roof deck. Connection points are sealed using a vapor-resistant proof tape. The top layer is installed with the plywood framing running perpendicular to the bottom layer framing. Every 16 inches on center, the top layer framing is fastened to the bottom layer framing. The top layer connection points must be offset over the bottom layer connection points. As a consequence, thermal bridging, including fasteners, is effectively eliminated. Combined, the orthogonal crossover and staggered connection design significantly enhances the structural integrity of the matrix system. To manage condensation caused by night sky radiation, for metal cladding systems, a low-cost synthetic water-resistant barrier should be incorporated. For standing seam cladding, clips are mechanically fastened to the plywood framing. Install roofing as per manufacturer recommendations. For alternative roof cladding systems, such as asphalt shingles, a thin layer of wood sheathing may be required. Every 16 inches on center, the sheathing is mechanically fastened to the plywood framing. Install drip edges and trim as per manufacturer's recommendations.